scrolling through Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest in the fall, you've probably seen influencers constantly telling you, you must have this, you must buy that to be stylish this season. That pressure and self-doubt can hit especially hard for midlife women whose closets suddenly feel never enough, and whose personal style seems to fade in the wake of every new trend. The topic here is the 5 biggest fall fashion lies influencers want you to believe. Women over 60 still have every right to be stylish, confident, and create their own signature look, without being swayed by fleeting trends or endless shopping. The goal is to expose these lies, guide you toward building a personal, magnetic style that's unique and age-appropriate, and provide real-life examples, practical illustrations, and mindset shifts you can start using right away. Examples from Sandra, Sylvie, Cheryl, and Karen from the Midlife Posh Closet community show how personal style can reflect personality, lifestyle, and local climate. Sandra in Northern Michigan follows the 3-color rule, layering effectively to stay warm while looking polished. Sylvie in Southern France proves that fall style doesn't require chunky sweaters or high boots. You can stay comfortable and stylish by dressing for your climate. Cheryl in Georgia gets creative with layering and wardrobe repurposing, showing that you can craft chic looks without buying new pieces. Karen stands out with a soft, muted palette combining a midi dress, lightweight jacket, and thoughtful accessories for a casual yet polished look, radiating confidence and taste. These examples highlight that personal style, climate-appropriate dressing, and self-expression build confidence and magnetism. Lie #5, you have to follow the fall fashion aesthetic. A lot of people think there's only one way to do fall fashion: oversized sweaters, tall boots, chunky scarves, and of course a pumpkin spice latte in hand. The truth is that's just a popular formula. You don't need those items to look stylish this season. Fall style doesn't come in a one-size-fits-all template. Everyone has a different lifestyle, climate, and body type. You don't have to layer up in heavy sweaters or boots if the weather is still warm. Trying to copy every Pinterest look in the wrong climate will only make you uncomfortable and less confident. Take Mary from Florida, for example. She loves classic fall colors: brown, burnt orange, and burgundy, but the weather is still hot. Instead of a heavy sweater or boots, she wears a lightweight brown dress with simple sandals and a small leather bag. She looks polished and season-appropriate, and she's completely comfortable. Similarly, Helen tried the Pinterest-perfect oversized sweater look on an 82-degree day. She was hot, uncomfortable, and felt awkward. Later, she switched to a lightweight fall dress paired with low boots. She kept the fall color palette, but finally felt confident and at ease. The point is, you don't have to copy Instagram or Pinterest to look stylish and feel good. Fall fashion should reflect your life, your personality, and your comfort, not someone else's curated aesthetic. You can create your own version of fall style: polished elegance, cozy chic, or minimalist European vibes. The key is feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Ask yourself, have you ever felt pressure to dress like a social media influencer? What if you adapted those looks to suit your own body and lifestyle? Once you realize you're your own muse, fall fashion stops being about following a formula and starts being about expressing who you are. You can even make the most of pieces you already own. A classic midi dress from summer can be styled for fall with a light blazer, a thin scarf, or low boots. You get the fall color story without forcing a copycat look. When you accept that there's no single right fall aesthetic, the next question becomes, do I need to chase every trend to be stylish, or is owning my personal style what truly makes me magnetic? That brings us perfectly into lie #4, which we'll explore next. Lie #4, trends don't define your style. A lot of people think staying stylish means following every trend. Crop jackets, statement belts, barrel jeans, whatever is hot this week has to be in your closet. The truth is, trends are temporary. They come and go, and they don't define your personal style. Chasing every trend just keeps you busy and stressed without making you feel confident. Real style is timeless. Take Susan, for example. She's in her 60s and loves simple, classic pieces. She pairs a soft cream sweater with a long, muted tone skirt. No crop jackets, no statement belts, yet she looks polished, elegant, and unmistakably stylish. Her outfit reflects her personality, not the latest social media trend. I do the same. I stick to classic shapes and neutral colors, and when a bold trend pops up, I adapt it subtly. Maybe a scarf with a pop of color or a sleek pair of boots, rather than copying the look head to toe. Confidence and personal expression are far more magnetic than any trend. Ask yourself, have you ever bought something just because it was trending, only to never wear it again? What if you focused on pieces that actually reflect your personality and lifestyle? The mindset shift here is simple: stop chasing trends. Build your style around yourself, not Instagram. Your wardrobe should reflect who you are, giving you freedom to mix, match, and create outfits that feel authentic and memorable. Linda, a member of my styling community, used to feel pressure to wear oversized sweaters and statement belts because everyone online was doing it. Once she embraced her own aesthetic, soft tailored jackets, classic trousers, and minimalist accessories, people started noticing. Not because she followed trends, but because she carried herself with confidence. Understanding this leads to the next step. It's not about what's trending. It's about how you carry yourself and the story your clothes tell about you. That sets us up perfectly for lie-3, which is all about trusting your instincts over the social media algorithm. Lie-3, the algorithm doesn't know your style. A lot of people think social media somehow knows what looks best for them. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, they constantly show you certain sweaters, boots, or accessories, making you feel like you need them. The truth is, the feed is a marketing tool, not a personal stylist. Comparing yourself to curated highlight reels can leave you feeling self-conscious and frustrated. Karen tried copying an influencer's look: an oversized plaid coat, chunky boots, and a statement scarf. In real life, the coat was too bulky, the boots uncomfortable, and the overall outfit didn't reflect her personality. She realized trying to match the perfect feed only made her feel worse. I've had the same experience. I followed a trending look: high-waist trousers, an oversized blazer, and bright accessories. On camera, it looked flawless. But in real life, the blazer swamped me, and the colors clashed with my natural palette. No algorithm can account for your personality, body, or daily life. Ask yourself, have you ever bought something just because it kept showing up in your feed, only to find it didn't work for you? What would happen if you trusted your own instincts instead? The mindset shift is simple: be the authority on your own style, not a robot. Your wardrobe should reflect your life, your body, and your taste, not what an algorithm thinks will get clicks. When you stop letting the feed dictate your choices, you reclaim freedom and confidence. Take Susan, a member of my community. She used to follow every recommendation. Her feed showed boots, bags, layered sweaters, but she never felt fully herself. Once she started focusing on pieces that matched her lifestyle, soft blouses, tailored pants, minimalist accessories, she felt more stylish and confident than ever. People noticed her presence not because she followed trends or algorithms, but because her wardrobe finally reflected her. Understanding that the algorithm doesn't define your style sets the stage for the next big shift. Realizing that your style isn't about fading into the background or following rules. It's about amplifying yourself. This leads directly into lie-2, about society telling women to tone it down as they age. Lie-2, you should tone down as you get older. Society often tells women in midlife to fade into the background, implying that fashion is only for the young. The idea is that toning it down equals sophistication. The truth is, toning down isn't elegance, it's erasure. Midlife is your power decade, and your style should amplify who you are, not hide it. Take Margaret, for example. She's in her early 60s and loves bold colors. She pairs a bright emerald blouse with tailored white pants and gold accessories. The outfit is striking, classy, and shows confidence. People notice her not because she blends in, but because she owns her choices. I've had the same experience. I used to stick to muted tones, thinking subtlety meant refinement. Once I started embracing vibrant colors and statement pieces, a rich burgundy coat or a patterned silk scarf, I felt more visible, confident, and authentic. The clothes didn't just cover me, they announced me. Ask yourself, have you ever held back from wearing something you loved because you thought, I'm too old for that? What if you used fashion as your personal megaphone to declare who you are without apology? The mindset shift is simple: don't tone down, amplify. Your wardrobe should reflect your life experience, your confidence, and your personality. Every chapter you've lived adds presence, magnetism, and authority. Your style isn't meant to disappear, it's meant to speak loudly and clearly. Linda, a member of my community, once avoided bright colors and bold patterns, thinking she should look her age. When she started experimenting with jewel tones, tailored jackets, and elegant accessories, she received compliments everywhere she went. The change wasn't just about clothes, it was about confidence and self-expression. Understanding this leads perfectly into lie-1, the most common misconception that you must buy new things to be stylish. Once you realize your style comes from mindset and confidence, shopping becomes a choice, not a requirement. Lie-1, you must buy new to be stylish. Many people think staying stylish means constantly buying new clothes. Influencers make money from affiliate links and fast fashion, making it seem like last season's sweater, blazer, or dress is instantly outdated. The truth is, endless shopping only benefits the influencers. It doesn't create lasting style. Real style is cultivated, not purchased. Take Emily, for example. Her closet already included a navy blazer, a white blouse, and black tailored pants. Instead of rushing to the store for new items, she started mixing and matching these pieces with scarves, belts, and statement shoes. Suddenly, she had multiple fresh looks without buying anything new. Her style felt intentional, confident, and uniquely hers. I've been there too. I used to believe that keeping up with trends meant shopping every month. Once I shifted my mindset to I already have enough, I began experimenting with layering, accessories, and creative pairings. My existing wardrobe became my personal boutique. Style isn't about price tags, it's about how you wear what you have. Ask yourself, have you ever bought something just because it was new, only to never wear it again? What if you treated your current wardrobe as a playground for style, instead of chasing new pieces constantly? The mindset shift is simple. I am enough. Build your style from what you already own. Focus on confidence, fit, and personal expression rather than material value. When you embrace this, shopping becomes a choice, not a necessity. Sarah, a member of my community, used to feel pressured to buy seasonal pieces every fall. After learning to work with her existing wardrobe, she created dozens of stylish outfits without purchasing a single new item. People noticed her confidence and originality, not the labels she wore. Understanding that true style comes from within completes the journey through the 5 fashion myths. Fashion is not about trends, algorithms, or constant shopping. It's about mindset, authenticity, and how you present yourself to the world. Illustrative stories, personal style and dressing for your climate. Sandra, Sylvie, Cheryl, and Karen from the Midlife Posh Closet community each show how personal style can reflect personality, lifestyle, and local climate. Sandra, living in northern Michigan, follows the 3-color rule: a camel sweater, brown pants, and a red scarf. Smart layering keeps her warm while looking polished. Coordinating colors not only suits the weather but also elevates her style. Sylvie, from southern France where fall remains warm, pairs camel pants with a white top and sandals. She proves that fall style doesn't have to mean chunky sweaters or high boots. Dressing for comfort while maintaining aesthetic appeal is fully achievable. Cheryl in Georgia gets creative with layering and wardrobe repurposing. She wears a button-up shirt as a cardigan, rolls her sleeves to show a bit of her arms, and pairs it with a long skirt and statement belt. This approach is minimalist yet refined, showing that you can craft stylish looks without buying new pieces. Karen stands out with a soft, muted palette. She combines a midi dress with a lightweight jacket, low-cut shoes, and a small handbag. The balance of color, silhouette, and climate-appropriate layering results in a casual yet polished look, radiating confidence and taste. The lesson from Sandra, Sylvie, Cheryl, and Karen is clear: personal style, understanding your climate, and smart outfit coordination build confidence and magnetism. Layering, the 3-color principle, wardrobe repurposing, and climate-conscious styling allow you to express your individuality without chasing trends or constant shopping. These examples show that leveraging existing pieces, thoughtful color choices, and weather-appropriate styling can elevate your wardrobe, boost confidence, and assert personal style with authority. To sum up, the 5 influencer lies revolve around chasing trends, constant shopping, or following algorithms. But real style doesn't come from buying or following the crowd. It comes from your mindset, your existing wardrobe, and your confidence. Fall fashion for midlife women is about being confident, authentic, and magnetic. Midlife is your power decade. It's far from a style expiration date. Explore your current wardrobe. Experiment with new combinations and share your journey with friends or online communities. And remember, the most stylish thing you can wear this fall is yourself.